So the Cloudflow is a minimalistic shoe. So you're not getting a ton of bulk in the cushion inside of the shoe. The majority of the impact protection that you're getting is right here in the pods. Because ASICS has a very curved toe, usually you're going to need to size down from an ASICS shoe into the Cloudflow. So if you're wearing a 9 and an ASICS, an 8.5 would probably be good for you. They do run a little bit wider in the toe box from your traditional shoe like a Brooks or an ASICS, but they're not considered a wide shoe. It may squeak when you first get the shoe, but it will not continue to squeak once you get it broken in. So when you're transitioning from a women's size to a men's size or a men's size to a women's size, it's a size and a half difference. So if you're a women's 9.5, in men, you're going to be a size 8. And if you're an 8 in a men, you'll be a women's size 9.5. On has a medium width in their shoes, and the toe box is a little bit wider than your traditional running shoe like ASICS or Brooks. Depending on how wide your foot is or how flat-footed you are, it may not be the best option for getting the support that you need. These are great for walking, urban, exploring, running, everything. The insole is removable. You can replace it with any insole that you'd like. The only thing is the shoe will not be as breathable or as light in weight. The best on shoe for flat feet would be the Cloud Ace. It has the most built-in support that they offer.